Hi everyone, this is Sheetal Sapin Matre. Thank you so much for loving the last video that I had posted on prayers. So today I'm going to talk about law of attraction. All those people who have been waiting for an online course, so here we begin. In the first video, that is this video, I'll be talking about general guidelines that you need to follow for law of attraction. And the upcoming videos, I'll be focusing on topics like love, health, money, weight loss, beauty as well. So, first and foremost, I'm often asked, what is law of attraction? Well, law of attraction is nothing but law of energy, wherein likes attract like. So, for example, if somebody is always happy and somebody is happy-go-lucky, that particular person will keep on attracting events and people which will give them further happiness, which will make them feel, oh, I'm so lucky. At the same time, when a person is very grumpy and keeps on worrying and is negative, will always keep on attracting people and events which will make the person feel further negative and further depressed and down. Now, what is the first rule of law of attraction? The first rule of law of attraction is clarity. You have to be extremely clear as to what you want to manifest. For example, whenever you go to a mobile store, you are very clear what brand you want to buy, what color of the color mobile phone should be, the memory size, and lot of details, right? So you need to be very clear about whatever it is that you want to manifest. Once you are clear that what is the goal that you want to manifest, you let go. You don't keep on thinking as to how you will get it. Just the way when you go to buy a mobile phone, you don't worry, okay, from which drawer will this shopkeeper remove the mobile phone from, or will he give the mobile phone to me from left hand or from right hand. You don't bother about that, right? You know that I have said that I need this particular phone, the shopkeeper will find and give it to me, right? Similarly, let go of the how part of it. Once you're very clear as to what you want to manifest, you need to bring it into reality by writing it down. Yes. So what you do is, whatever it is that you wish to manifest, you write it down on a piece of paper. Okay? Any color paper, any color ink. And when you write down, you will not write, I want this in my life. Then the universe will keep on giving you want. You will also not write, I wish to have this in my life, because the universe will keep on giving you, okay, I wish, and not the object in reality. So you will write, you can write it this way, I'm excited to receive this in my life, or I am ready to receive this in my life. So you will write that very clearly, that whatever it is you wish to manifest in your life. For example, if you really wish to manifest a car, you will write, I am ready to receive blue Swift Desire in my life by, you can also write the date down, by so and so, and end it with this or better, as I always say. So if the universe wants to give you a blue Swift Desire, then it will give you a blue Swift Desire, and if the universe wants you to have a BMW, it will give you a BMW. Alright, so once you've written down your goal, you will give any energy healing technique to it. Now, like Reiki or angel therapy. However, if you don't know Reiki or any other energy healing modality, just hold the paper in which you written your wish in between your palms and say, dear God, Goddess, archangels, please give divine energies to my wish so that I am blessed with this wish as soon as possible, this or better. So by saying this, you are giving energy to your wish, okay, divine energies to your wish. Do this every day, and the day you don't feel like doing it, don't do it, because the intention won't be there, and it won't really help if the intention is not there. Alright, once you have written down your wish, you need to visualize it. You need to visualize it as it is really happening in your life. Now, what is visualization? Visualization is closing your eyes and creating a movie in your mind. Alright, so for example, if you wish to manifest a home, so just close your eyes and visualize every small detail of your home, right from how the interiors of the home will be, what view you will get if you look outside your balcony, what kind of neighbors you will have. Visualize you're giving good news to your parents that you bought a house. Visualize you're posting pictures on your Facebook and you're getting a lot of likes and a lot of comments. So visualize every small and big detail of your desire. Once you have visualized whatever it is that you want to manifest in your life, start believing in it. I hear so many times people writing affirmations, writing their wishes, posting it on their workstations. And when I ask them, do you really believe this is going to happen to you? Back comes a reply. No, not really. I really doubt if this is going to happen to me. Well, if you are going to not believe in it, you're not putting your complete energy into manifesting it. So whatever it is that you wish to desire, believe that you're going to receive it, believe that it is going to happen in divine timing. All right, and be excited about it. For example, if you want to manifest a diamond necklace, how will you feel? Will you feel excited? Will you feel surprised? Will you feel happy or just awesome? What is it that you will feel? Feel those emotions in your heart. All right, feel that happiness, that excitement that you will get once you receive that necklace. Feel all of that in your heart. Once you do it, okay, you will be raising your vibrations and you will be in sync with the frequency of that particular object. As I said in the beginning of the video, like attracts like. Once you have done all of this, you need to take action. Yes, so you can just tell God that I desire to have this car. Please guide me as to what action I need to take in order to manifest this car into reality. And trust me, your inner voice will start giving you guidance. The angels and the universe will also start sending people to you who will help you to manifest whatever it is that you want to manifest in your life. However, it is extremely important that you listen to your inner voice and you follow the guidance and of course take action. So this was general guidelines that you need to follow in terms of law of attraction. I will be soon coming up with the next series next week on law of attraction, on a topic that will be really very interesting. Alright, this is Sheetal Sapan Matre. Have a fabulous day ahead. Thank you so much.